Are you looking for the top 5 best car polishers for car detailing in 2024? Here are my full reviews of the best car polisher for car detailing 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. BATOCA Cordless Car Polisher 12V, Wireless DA Car Polishing Machine Brushless Dual Action Buffer Free 2.0R Lithium Battery. Introducing the BATOCA Cordless Car Polisher, the ultimate solution for effortless car detailing. This 12V wireless DA car polishing machine is equipped with a brushless dual action buffer, delivering professional-grade results without the hassle of cords or cables. The brushless motor ensures powerful and efficient performance, while the dual action mechanism prevents swirls and holograms, leaving your vehicle with a flawless finish. Say goodbye to tedious polishing sessions and hello to convenience with the included 2.0R lithium battery, providing ample runtime for extended polishing sessions. Whether you're a professional detailer or a car enthusiast, the BATOCA Cordless Car Polisher offers unmatched versatility and portability, allowing you to achieve showroom-quality results anywhere, anytime. Its ergonomic design and lightweight construction make it comfortable to use for long periods, while its compact size ensures easy storage and transport. Experience the future of car polishing with the BATOCA Cordless Car Polisher and enjoy the freedom to polish with precision and ease. Number 2. 2500 5000 RPM Cordless Car Polisher 12V, Wireless Car Polishing Machine Noiseless 6 Gears Polish Machines Waxing Power Tools. Introducing the revolutionary 12V Cordless Car Polisher, designed for optimal performance between 2500 to 5000 RPM. This wireless polishing machine offers unparalleled convenience and efficiency, allowing you to effortlessly polish your car without the hassle of cords or restrictions. With its noiseless operation and 6 adjustable gears, achieving professional quality results has never been easier. Say goodbye to tedious waxing sessions. This power tool delivers exceptional waxing capabilities, leaving your car with a stunning, mirror-like finish. Embrace the future of car detailing with this advanced cordless polisher, making every polishing task a breeze. Experience the ultimate in automotive care today. Number 3. BATOCA S4, Cordless Car Polisher Machine Wireless Car Polishing Machine 3mm x 12mm Random Orbital Free 2 PCs 2.0R Lithium Battery. Introducing the BATOCA S4 Cordless Car Polisher Machine, the ultimate solution for professional-grade car polishing without the hassle of cords. This wireless car polishing machine offers unparalleled convenience and versatility, allowing you to achieve a flawless finish anywhere, anytime. Equipped with both 3mm and 12mm random orbital settings, the BATOCA S4 ensures precise and efficient polishing for various surfaces. Its ergonomic design and lightweight construction make it easy to handle, reducing fatigue during extended use. Say goodbye to power outlets with the 2 included 2.0R lithium batteries, providing ample power for extended polishing sessions. The cordless design also eliminates the risk of tangled cords and restricted movement, offering unparalleled freedom and maneuverability. Whether you're a professional detailer or a car enthusiast, the BATOCA S4 Cordless Car Polisher Machine is the perfect companion for achieving showroom-quality results with ease. Upgrade your polishing experience today and enjoy the convenience of cordless operation without compromising on performance. Number 4. DeWalt Buffer Polisher 7-inch 9/12 amp Variable Speed Dial 0 3500 RPMs, corded, DWP 849X Yellow, Large. Introducing the DeWalt Buffer Polisher, a powerhouse tool designed for professional-grade polishing and buffing tasks. Boasting a robust 12-amp motor and a versatile 7-inch 9 backing plate, this polisher delivers exceptional performance on various surfaces, from cars to countertops. The variable speed dial allows precise control, ranging from 0 to 3500 RPM, accommodating a wide range of applications and preferences. Whether you need gentle polishing or aggressive buffing, this tool has you covered. Its corded design ensures continuous power, eliminating the need for battery changes or recharges during extended use. The iconic DeWalt yellow color signifies durability and reliability, making it a trusted choice among professionals and enthusiasts alike. With its large size and powerful motor, the DeWalt Buffer polisher tackles tough polishing jobs with ease, leaving behind a flawless, professional finish every time. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, this polisher is a must-have addition to your toolkit. Number 5. Nanoskin Black Speed 21mm Long Throw Random Orbital Polisher 750W. 7.5 amp motor, BOSCH bearing construction, vented flexible backing plate 4. Introducing the Nanoskin Black Speed 21mm Long Throw Random Orbital Polisher, a powerhouse tool designed to elevate your car detailing experience. With a robust 750W, 7.5 amp motor, this polisher delivers unparalleled performance and efficiency. Engineered with BOSCH bearing construction, it ensures durability and reliability for long-term use. Featuring a 21mm long throw orbit, this polisher reduces the time and effort required to achieve a flawless finish on your vehicle's surface. The vented flexible backing plate enhances heat dissipation, preventing overheating during extended polishing sessions, while also allowing for smoother operation. Ideal for professional detailers and car enthusiasts alike, the Nanoskin Black Speed polisher is perfect for removing scratches, swirl marks, and oxidation, leaving your vehicle with a showroom quality shine. Whether you're restoring a classic car or maintaining a modern vehicle, this polisher is your go-to solution for achieving stunning results with ease.